Welcome back to Mope Dodge, Mope Mods. You know what it is. It's another maintenance modification. Guys, I don't know if you ran into this, but I have not yet seen any information on YouTube regarding changing the lower radiator hose for the, I guess, 2016 to 2023 Dodge Charger. And that includes slim body and wide body, right? SRT. Well, I have here, my guys, the complicated freaking OEM radiator hose. It's pre-clamped open, so as soon as you get it on there, you clamp closed, which is good. Let me show you the part number. Where's the part number on this thing? Here we go. So, guys, here's the part number for this vehicle. Alright, 682488468F 001. Let me give you a quick gander of what I got to go through. Well, first, it'd be easy to show you if I gotta, take the wheels off. Next, I have to take the front bumper off, disconnect the side marker lights, underglow lights. I had to disconnect, and I probably got to disconnect the light right there, but yeah. So, let me show you a couple wires dangling, mess in here. I got my radiator fluid collector ready to go. Stand by, let me show you.
TVARI.com.
Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see it from here, but here's the engine. The oil. Can you see it? Yeah, okay, so here's the oil. I'll give you that's the passenger side, and here is pretty much the lower hose for the radiator. Now it splits all up and through here. I don't know if you can see it. Splits here. I can't see it, but anyway. So it splits here. Then that splits all the way up. And I think that's to the reservoir. I'm not sure. I have to double check. So I gotta unclamp that. Let's see here. I gotta unclamp this hose, which is the oil cooler hose, and then this splits to the lower hose right here. This hose right here. I take that one off. Take that off, and I can put the new one on. Once I get these unclamped, drain it first. Right here, drain it here. Put the little drain there. Let it fill out, then I can take the hose off. All right. All right, guys, stay tuned. Look, me trying to tape it up, but don't just broke in between. Look at this shit. It just broke. Plastic just broke. It's ridiculous, man. Anyway. Yeah, it just broke. Oh, that sucks too. So yeah, lower hose splits into two. Follow it all the way up, around. It goes here. I figure where that goes. This is the lower part of the radiator hose right here. You can see it. You get a tool, which I do have a kit. Get it like 18 bucks on Amazon. Everything will be in the description for the part, as you can see. And yeah. Oh boy. This boy has everything in it. I wasn't gonna go empty handed do this. So I got everything I need. 18 bucks. So I'm gonna start taking this shit apart. Excuse my language, but I'm pissed off. I was supposed to take this to a cruise week, and on the day of the cruise, this happens. The whole pipe just busts open and antifreeze just spews out, and it was the day of, so I was like, bonk it. I took my other vehicle. Still had fun though, but anyway. All right, I'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. All right, guys, update. I was just making sure the part I got was right. So just to give you a quick glance, this particular part and how it's situated. Lower radiator hose has 4 splits. All right, this goes to your water pump. This goes to your oil cooler. This goes to the reservoir, and this goes to your radiator. So I don't know if you can see it. Push it out the way. Reservoir is here. Clean that off. And the lower hose or radiator hose goes down in here. You can't really see it, but it goes right here. And adjacent, this is the driver's side. All right, let's head down so you guys get an idea. Here's the hose. It's best to cut what you can. I had to cut the reservoir hose to get clearance. I used my tool to take the clip off for the lower radiator hose. Here is the broke. As you can see, I tried to tape it until it cracked. This is the oil pressure hose. Let's see if I can show you where that is. See, you got your oil here. Hose goes right here, right there. All right, and then here's the lower part of the, as you can see, pulling that on out, goes to the water pump. So I had to jack it up because the way this thing was in there, it was in between the freaking, hold on, I gotta jack it up a little bit more. I gotta jack it up a little more to get this piece of crap out. And I'll show you how it looks once we get in. All right, here it is. Ooh, Lord. This is not for the faint of heart. You definitely gotta have patience. As at my age, I'm running out of patience. But you know, when it comes to the money, you kind of have to do what you have to do, right? So here's the original. All right. It's radiator. I mean the you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm tired, sorry. Just got out the hospital. But yeah, So reservoir, lower radiator connects right here. Oil cooler connect, and this is the water pump connect. As you can see, it's already pre-clipped. It's ready to go. That's the best part about this, because it took me a minute to get these clips off these hoses that are seized to the connections. And where this thing messed up at was right here. See, I tried to put some waterproof tape on it, and as I was doing it, it just broke apart. You know, I wish you could just change this, but you can, you know, if you are, you know, handy. But I figured, you know, shit, the hole's old as Medusa. Look at this. And this is where it cracked. It was underneath the oil pan. You see that? So I don't know what happened. It's been to the dealership a few times, but as you can see, it cracked. It's not supposed to be underneath the Y joint, or whether you call it the Y frame, in between the Y frame and the oil pan. So I think that was the reasoning behind it initially breaking. But anyway, we're gonna put it back. Let's see how it looks once it's done. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. Mo Dodge, Mo Mods. Yeah, guys, that's another one. And Mo Dodge is getting tired of doing this. May have to retire the channel, do something different and fun. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned as I put all this stuff back together. I have to actually fix my halo lights in the grill and my lights for my bumper. So fun times, man. I'm gonna label this crap this time. All right, stay tuned. See you guys. All right, guys, final update. I just want to say I don't want to do this again. And for those who have a garage with lifts, more power to you. I do not. I work outside in the elements, as most car enthusiasts do. Work with what you got, but let me show you what it is. Yeah, she was bone dry. I need that. But so as it stands, here's the new floor radiator pump in place. Barely see it, but she's in there, clean, free from the, because it was literally sitting right here, but it's free clearance there. I secured it all in, even the line to the oil cooler line is secured in to the is that in there? Yep, that's in there. That's good. So if you're gonna do this, guys, it's one piece literally, but it goes to the radiator, the drain, the reservoir, and the oil cooler. So this is a major element when it comes to the Dodge Charger. And the lower radiator hose. It's not just one hose, dude. It's a bummer, but at least it's fixed, man. At least it's in there. It's in there correctly. It's free from obstruction, as you guys saw before. All right, everything's good. All right, time to put everything back. Hey guys, I appreciate you coming out and paying attention to this little brief lower radiator pump hose. You definitely need this for the part that connects to the water pump. You definitely need that, otherwise it's gonna be hell. These things are hell to take off. I just want you to know that. But once you do get it on there, the hoses come clamped, little clamps on them like this. So once you get it snug tight, you pop that clamp off, it's in there. Just double check it, make sure it's tight fit, and you're good to go. Right now I'm going to clean up and get out of here. So I gotta go get my son from school. But anywho, another Mo Dodge, Mo Mods production. You know, I've been through some stuff, to say the least. I might start doing more posting as far as day-to-day operations when dealing with a Dodge or a Charger or Charlie, or just the headaches that's coming. The difference between the new electric Chargers Cat Packs, I don't like it. Maybe the 4-door, maybe. But yeah, after this car, I'll probably do some engine mods. Right now it's under warranty still. But yeah, I'll probably do some engine mods just to get a little faster, just to say wow. But other than that, man, I think it's the end of the season for the Charger. Unless they come out with something exotic. I don't know if you've seen some on my social media where it's like, it looks like the body style of the electric Charger, but it has some enhancements on it. Man, I'll put it in my video so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, if they come out with something like that in real life, it's a wrap. I'm getting it. It's a wrap. Electric or not. Even if they had a I don't know. Either way, I'm getting it, man. Anyway. So, you know, again, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, man. Give me your comments, man. Did I do something wrong? Because like I said, I didn't see any videos on YouTube regarding the lower radiator hose being changed on a Dodge Charger. You see everything else, water pumps, I don't know, headers or whatever, but not the lower radiator pump, man. That's a must-have. But like I said, the kit and everything, I'll put in my description. The part number for this vehicle, I'll put in my description. And again, man, if you got any comments, let me know. Let me know your thoughts, and we'll go from there. All right, it's another one.